Question.
Question.
Thank you for all the education here. I'm humbled to say at last I've come to accept and love my hair. No more negative talk about my beautiful curls. At last I experience mind body harmony and it gets better. The self confidence is up. As a brown woman in South Africa, hair is politicized and weaponized, but I'm stronger now at 68 years. Thank you, my hair.
Well, that's not a question. That's her testimony. I love that because it is quite a journey. It is quite a journey to rediscover something about yourself that is beautiful, that has been weaponized and demonized and all the things historically. So I feel like this is how I give back, is helping to kind of redefine those standards and rediscovery, because everyone is on a journey of some type in their lives to love themselves a little more than they had been. And yeah, accepting all of you is what this is really about. It goes beyond just hair, is the really loving and falling in love with everything about yourself, the way God made you and in its entirety. And so, yeah, to have to deal with anyone who has been told differently about themselves by just culturally and socially that their beauty is up for question is a crime. That's what this is really all about, is helping you to rediscover and love something beautiful about yourself at any point in your life. It's never too late. And so this lovely woman found it at 68, and just, you got to keep going hard and believing that you're enough. So yeah, may all your hair days be your better days. No, may all your good hair days be your better days. So if you like these videos, I hope that you click like and subscribe and go to hairrules.com for further education and find a regimen and products that are specific to your hair texture, not someone else's. And so every day can be a great hair day. And yeah, we'll see you soon.